Now the news, the Maharashtra government has still not been able to find a lawyer for Ajmal Amir Kasab, the sole terrorist captured alive during 26/11. Now earlier, the powerful Metropolitan Magistrate Bar Association had passed a resolution that its members would not take up this case. And now the Shiv Sena is staging protests outside the homes of lawyers who seem willing to take this up. Now the party has staged protests outside the homes of two lawyers, Ashok Saraugi and Mahesh Deshmukh. Well, Priyanka Kakodkar joining us live from Mumbai for more. Priyanka, even though the law does allow every accused the right to a defense lawyer, no one, it seems, at this point in time wants to touch Kasab.
Well, Prachi, that's certainly what seems to be the case as of now. Even the few people who have come forward, for instance, Mahesh Deshmukh in Amravati, who came forward and said, well, he is willing to take up this case, is now facing flack from the Shiv Sena. So the protests are taking now a political turn. The Shiv Sena has said that whoever defends Kasab is a traitor. And they're actually going out on the streets outside the homes of lawyers who are willing to defend Kasab and taking the law into their own hands where this is concerned. One more lawyer has expressed some willingness, Prachi. His name is P. Janardhan. He was the former Additional Advocate General of Maharashtra. Now, he has said that he is willing to take up this case if the Pakistan consulate tells him to take it up, not without that. So, beyond the fact that some lawyers, for instance, of this Bar Association themselves felt unwilling to take up this case, now there's political pressure from the Shiv Sena, a possible violence from the Shiv Sena, which is entering the picture. But regardless of what happens, Prachi, the law says that there must be a defense for every accused, and if no one comes forward, then the state is duty-bound to provide a defense lawyer. Now, the state, in its legal aid committee, had asked someone called Dinesh Mota last week when Kasab's case came up to represent him, but Dinesh Mota himself backed out. But regardless of what happens, the state is certainly duty-bound to provide a lawyer. We have to wait and see what happens, what the state government stand today is, and whether it manages to rein in these kind of demonstrations now from the Shiv Sena.